FTR International Incorporated is a highly innovative, competitively driven, and award-winning general contracting, engineering, and construction management firm. The unwavering efforts of the firm's experienced engineers, architects, and corporate office personnel position FTR as an industry leader. Working with government agencies and private investors, FTR's project portfolio demonstrates its industry expertise through the successful completion of some of Southern California's most innovative projects. State-of-the-art science laboratories, health centers, educational institutions, art and theater facilities, mass transit stations, port securities, library and learning resource facilities, and technology centers. FTR International Incorporated presents over 25 years of unparalleled success and continues to uphold its vision of becoming the leading general contractor and construction management company, internationally recognized and admired for its vision, creativity, and reliability in providing the highest service and dedication to its clientele, partners, and team.
My name is Bob Miller. I'm a professional engineer and the director of the project at the West Los Angeles College campus. My experience with FTR International began about 10 years ago. These folks have come to the level of delivering projects that are beyond any other organization.
FTR strives to be at the forefront of the construction industry. To that end, we use cutting-edge tools to stay ahead.
FTR has the ability to perform all of the functions on any construction project, allowing them to amass a tremendous amount of accurate costing.
When we deliver a project on time and on budget, everybody wins, and safety is a very important part of that equation.
Our people's safety is the fundamental foundation of a successful build.
We want to establish a culture of safety. We do weekly trainings on the site for safety. We do periodic safety inspections for compliance, which really contributes to productivity and ultimately cost.
FTR International Incorporated's commitment to excellence and quality assurance combines engineering and innovation to deliver outstanding projects that exceed expectations.
FTR has been building LEED projects for over 10 years.
As an environmentally responsible general contractor working on numerous green building projects from LEED certified silver and gold up to LEED platinum, FTR is recognized by Engineering News-Record as the third largest California-based green contractor.
We can take a project from the design phase through construction, meeting or exceeding the owner's green and sustainable goals.
FTR International Incorporated uses the most advanced applications and technology in the industry.
BIM technology means that more of the owner's construction dollar goes into the building instead of administration and overhead of design and construction. The process moves a lot quicker. Better design, more efficient construction, better control over processes, and the best possible documentation for facility management.
They're invested in this process. They believe in sharing the savings with the owners.
With the all-inclusive services and expertise FTR has to offer, the firm is regarded by its clients and partners as a one-stop shop capable of performing a complex scope of work and ultimately deliver remarkable results.
One thing that FTR International takes pride in is building meaningful facilities which have a positive impact in local communities. This is not only recognized through awards and accolades, but also from meaningful relationships which we build.
The ultimate goal is to provide a venue that will stand the test of time and play a dynamic role in the lives of end users.
It's very reassuring knowing that you have completed something that someone's going to use and appreciate when you're done.
One of the hardest things from user groups is to bring them into a new building and understand that this is in fact their new home. And these people deliver it in such a way that the comfort that these folks feel when they move in is absolutely like moving into their new home.
FTR International Incorporated takes pride in representing a sound corporate organization, extending its general contracting services and extensive management resources to regions of the Middle East.
FTR International has grown exponentially, opening offices in Jeddah, London, and in Abu Dhabi.
The expertise that FTR has amassed can easily be exported from the U.S. to really anywhere in the world.
Our expertise in the LEED rating system can be brought into the Pearl rating system, and we feel that we can really excel and help Abu Dhabi to build a green and sustainable future.
With public and private agencies acknowledging the firm with top honor rankings, industry recognitions, awards, and certificates of achievement.
Over the past 25 years, FTR International has worked with over 50 agencies in both the public and the private sectors. This has created numerous opportunities for FTR worldwide and has made it a really exciting time to work for the company. My name is Jessica Stockwell. I'm a marketing specialist at FTR International.
My name is Guadalupe Flores, architect and BIM specialist for FTR.
My name is Jason Pammer, and I am an estimator for FTR International.
My name is Paul Hogan. I'm to make sure the jobs come in on time, under budget, and to satisfy the customer.
My name is Tom Saliba, consultant in financial matters for FTR International.
I'm Tony Pennington, and I'm the Corporate Safety Officer for FTR International.
Through practical solutions and complex capabilities, FTR International Incorporated is dedicated to the ambition of turning imagination into creation.